So in today's video I will give you good advice how to replace timing belt on Honda Accord Cross Tour 2011. As you can see, I took everything apart already. So this is the basic part. You can find it on YouTube. I mean, there's a bunch of videos how to take it out, but you know that this one has to be lined up, number one, with that mark. Also the back ones, it's got mark on it too. It's supposed to line up with the mark on the engine. And also down in there, this one, crankshaft, this mark is supposed to line up with the mark over here. So this, like everybody knows that. The hardest part was to remove that sucker over here. This one, the hardest part. And I've seen maybe like 15 videos on different ways how to remove it. And the best way, because I bought air compressor, I bought impact gun, and nothing worked out basically. So if you would like to do it and not spend much, a lot of money, I will show you the best way to take it out. And there's only one guy on the YouTube, and I looked at that guy, and I tried it at home, and it's definitely working. So all you need is just this stand over here. So you put that stand right here, then you taking braking bar and you going straight ahead in there, and long, you need really long braking bar, and you just hold it and crack open. That's it. Okay, but don't buy cheap stuff, because I bought cheap stuff from Harbor Freight, and it broke. So buy something good. Actually, I was surprised. I bought a braking bar from Lowe's, and it actually worked out. Okay, and I'm telling you, I tried like 5 or 6 different ways to remove this this bolt, and it wasn't going out. So like I said, everything else is pretty much easy. So some guys, they say remove hoses from this pump, power steering, but I left it in here and I just put it on the side, so I got good clearance right now. And also, take out this reservoir, so it gives you more flexibility. Also, this hose was connected to the engine, so you have to take that clamp out, so you got more flexible hose. And basically this is it. So this is my old parts, and this is my new parts I'm gonna install. Water pump, tensioner, and pulleys. That's it. Okay, I hope you will find that video very beneficial for yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.